Okay, we will solve this numerical. Determine the coordinates x and yc of a plane lamina as shown in figure. A circular portion of diameter 150 mm. Okay, the diameter of this circle is given 150 mm. Okay, 150 mm. The diameter of this circle is cut symmetrical about y direction through a rectangular plate of size 200 mm by 300 mm. So this is rectangular plate 200 mm by 300 mm. Okay, so this is 200, this is 200 and this is 300 is given, and this circular hole is cut in such a manner that symmetrically about y direction. Okay, so if we cut this figure by a vertical line, okay, if cut this using a vertical line like this, so it will bisect this figure into two equal parts. Okay, so either you can take y-axis as here or you can take as here. Okay, I have taken y-axis as here, okay, and x-axis as here. So taking the x-axis as here and y-axis here, okay, x-axis and y-axis, and solving that numerically. If you take y-axis here, your x bar equal to 0. If you take y-axis as this, your value of x bar, distance of centroid from y-axis, will be equal to 0, because the centroid will lie on this line only. You can directly say the value of x bar. Value of this x bar is equal to 200 divided by 2, so that will be 100. Okay, that will be 100. Okay, so solving this is very easy numerical. So I will suggest you to pause this video here, solve this numerical on your own, and then again by playing the video get the check whether your answer is correct or not. Okay, now the next step is we can divide this figure into two standard geometrical figure. One will be this rectangle 200 by 300 and another will be the circle. Now this rectangle will be the hatching area, so that will be the positive area, and this circle will be the negative area. Okay, so this one positive area and this will be two negative area. Okay, then we can make it a table like this. So figure number 1, so that will be this rectangle, so x, so this figure number 1, that will be rectangle 200 by 300, so x, so value of x intercept, that means distance of centroid from the y-axis for the figure 1 for the rectangle, so that will be 100, then y will be 150, and area will be 60,000. Okay, 200 into 300 mm, 60,000 mm square. Then for the second figure, so now x will be equal to 100, y will be equal to 200. Okay, as this distance is given 100 mm, so from this top side this distance is given 100 mm. From top side the center of circle is 100 mm. We require that from this x-axis, so that center will be 300 minus 100, so that will be 200 here. Okay, and the area, so for area of circle we can use formula, so that will be pi r square or pi d square by 4. Okay, then again using the standard formula, so x bar or xc is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 divided by a1 plus a2. Now here this a2 that must be negative. Okay, this here even put the value of a2 here, again here, so we have to put negative value of here a2 will be negative, because that circle, it is clear given in the question that 150, a circular portion of 150 is cut. Okay, so this is a cutting portion, so we have to take a negative area here. Okay, so putting the values, so you'll get answer of x as 100, and putting the using the formula for a y intercept. Again here this a2 and this a2, when we put the value here, that will be taken as negative. Okay, that will be taken as negative. Okay, then putting the values here, we will get y as 129.122 mm. Okay, I hope you will understand. This is very simple basic numerical. If you have any doubts, any question, or any other numerical that which you would like to solve, then that you can comment that numerical in the comment section. Okay, and I will try to solve that numerical and post the video of it. Okay, thank you.